Next, we have the thyroid gland. And the thyroid gland is located at the base of the neck. It secretes an hormone known as thyroxine. The function of thyroxine is the maintenance of the body heat through maintenance of metabolism, as it controls how energy or how glucose is used up in the body and how heat is produced. Then we have the parathyroid gland. The parathyroid gland is located under the thyroid gland and produces an hormone known as parrot hormone. This parrot hormone is responsible for controlling the level of calcium in the blood, either by making the bones to secrete more calcium in the blood, or controlling or directing the absorption of calcium from the blood by the bone. Furthermore, we have another gland known as the pancreas. The pancreas are located on the islet of Langerhans close to the liver, and it produces two important counteracting hormones. Counteracting in the sense that one balances the other. The first one is insulin, and insulin functions to reduce the amount of glucose in the bloodstream by converting glucose to glycogen in muscles and fat in the liver and some other organs. While glucagon reverses the effect of insulin in case of shortage of blood glucose. What it does is that it converts glycogen and fat back to glucose so that there will be more glucose in the bloodstream. Furthermore, we have our adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is located over the kidney, and it produces an hormone known as adrenaline. Adrenaline is known as the excitement hormones. It's the hormone responsible for response to fear, to threat. Basically, it stimulates flight or fight and increases the heart rate of the organism or of the animal. We have the stomach also, which produces an hormone known as gastrin. Now, gastrin is gastric juice that helps in digestion of complex food substances. Also, we have another endocrine gland known as the testis, which is the male gonad, and it produces an enzyme known as testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for secondary sexual characters in male. For example, the development of beards, the development of thick voice, broadness of chest, and even the development of sperm by the sex organs. We also have the ovaries, the equivalent of testes but in the female gender. And it produces two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Now, estrogen is responsible for the production or the promotion of secondary sexual characters in the female. For example, it helps give females the general feminine outlook that you can notice in females, especially development of breast, and also prepares the body for ovulation. Then we have progesterone. Progesterone is another product of the ovaries, and it is known as the pregnancy hormone. It is the hormone responsible for preparing the uterus for the carriage of babies, as it prepares the uterus to provide a conducive environment where the baby can be developed, and also to help in a smooth delivery of the infant. And with that, we've come to the end of animal hormones. Up next, we'll be treating plant hormones.